Hey, hi! Welcome on a brand page on Panoramata. We're going to take a minute and see how this works. Each tab here is going to give you access to different kind of data so you can actually track and understand what your competitor, or in this case, Everlane, have been up to in their digital marketing strategy. The summary is quite obvious. It's all a few stats and all the recent updates that we've gathered on the company. If you click on the calendar tab, you're going to get access to all the updates we've received from Everlane in a calendar format. It's super easy and super practical because you can hover a day and you'd see the related content. You can also type a keyword like summer or dresses or Black Friday or Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever you'd like. And see which days they've been using this specific keyword in their emails or their ads. If you click on the emails tab, you're going to get access to all the emails that we've detected from this brand. Of course, you can click an email and you're going to have access to the email as if you received it on Gmail, along with a few extra data points as well, like the email scoring, its spam score, and some classification as well. Here you go. If you click on the flows, you're going to get access to the most popular flows we've detected for this brand. Usually for any company, we do detect at least the welcome and the last checkout for some of them, like Everlane. We also have purchase, replenishment, and all the others as well, and they're present like this. Landing is quite useful. On the landing pages side, we're going to get all the changes that they're making on their homepage, product pages, but also the landing pages that they might be using on paid media. So here, for instance, let's take the homepage of Everlane, and here's how their website was looking like 2 years ago for Black Friday, then 3 years ago, and we can go here and see how it was like 3 months ago and do before afters to get a chance to understand how they've been changing their website. And oh cool. And if they've been publishing ads towards a specific landing page, we're going to tell you so and highlight which ads they've been using towards this page as well and when during the last year. Software is quite easy. All the softwares that we've detected this brand, this company have been using. And the ads, pretty much the same thing as for the emails. Of course, you can search, select the date range, select only certain networks. Currently, we're tracking Meta, Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Google Display as well. You can pick only images or video, do any search as you'd like, and you have all the ads we've ever detected from them just in one place, making this super easy. And what's cool is you can, of course, download them, but also save them in your own lists on Panoramata for future reference. Well, that's it. For some other brands, we're also tracking catalogs, prices, SMS, and many other stuff. But this is how you can actually use the brand page to really understand what a competitor have been up to in their marketing strategy. If you have any question, you know we're here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out. Take care, and wherever you are in the world, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.